Hello, and I actually kind of want to start this, like, a Minecraft series. But first, I might have to get permission from my parents. So, I have this world that I've been working on for a while. And, I've actually learned a lot about redstone. So if I push this button right here, this will go up. I actually got this design from Mumbo Jumbo, but I don't like copying designs. Well, I do copy designs. I don't like it, but I copy designs anyway. I will only copy them. I will copy them for if I need to use it for something in survival, and and then I build it in this world, and then I use it in survival. And the new snapshot got rid of all my minecarts right there, so I won't show you this. Except I put those there. So what I do is when I copy them, I do not just copy them and be like, yeah, nice. I look at it and try and figure it out just so I don't feel bad. So this is really simple, but I won't be showing it in this video right now. Ever since honey blocks were added, it's gotten really easy. I'm not the best at redstone. I'm still learning. I figured out how to do flying machines. Like, look at this. I haven't even finished this yet. So let's do this. These are supposed to move out of the way, and those push forward so you can't see the pistons. Haven't finished that yet. So what I actually just want to show you is this right here. This is a really simple thing. This part down here you don't have to do. You don't have to do that. But it's really easy to make. So all you need to do here, so here I'll actually take you through this step by step. And then we'll take that. Never done this before, and I'll take that, and I'll take that, and I'll take that, and that. Oh wait, and I will need this. I will use these for right now, and then I will also have that. Okay, that goes in there, and that. So what I will not need, oh yeah, and that. What I do not need right now is these. I'll just be working on this for right now. So what you want, I actually do need those. So what you want to do is you want to put a sticky piston there, and you want this and this right there. So just make this right here. Put this on that, and then a repeater coming out of it. Now what this will do is it will give you an automatic 1-tick pulse, and if you don't know what a 1-tick pulse is, this is 1 tick right here, but it's a button. If I use the button, so the reason I need the piston there is if you did this here, let me get a button. Let's take that. It would do this. And let's have a piston there. It would only do this on here. And what we want is for sticky pistons aren't supposed to get rid of the blocks. Normal pistons do get rid of the blocks, but a sticky piston doesn't. But if you put a 1-tick pulse through it, so if I did this, and I put a button there, it would drop its block because it has a 1-tick pulse, and it would spit out its block. So that's what you need to do. And you will need a redstone torch right here. And then you will need a block here, and you will need like 6 blocks. Have a repeater there and a repeater there. Then these going in it. Then what you will want is a block there, a block there, and a block there with redstone dust. Then you will have these on it, pointing, and you want them to do this. You want them to do this. You have slime blocks on top. And then you will put the anvil on. What this will do is if I press this button, oh yeah, I need that. It will launch it. Yes, sorry, I forgot I needed a tick thing right there. If you want a lot, then just all you gotta do is you gotta just shift and jump. It takes a really long time. Here, I'm gonna turn down my sound right now. So this is what you want to do. You'll just do this. And then if you want to add the roller coaster part, you will. And I will show you how you do that. So just add those in. Yeah. And then, so just add these in. Okay, so there's your things, and if you want to have a roller coaster, then you will need this block right here. This block is a really cool block because it's a rail that when you go over it, I need that. When you go over it, it will send out a pulse. So what you'll do, you will place this going down right here. And we'll get rid of that. Then darn. Let me get rid of that redstone for a little bit. Now I'll place it back. Yeah, that will happen. So yeah. So you'll want to do this. I might have to go back over here because I don't remember the exact timings. So 2 tick pulse and a 4 tick pulse. So you'll run it out quite a while away. And then how about here? 2 tick pulse, 4 tick pulse. And then you'll break these, and you don't need the observer, so we can put these in. And then we just go across like this. And if I placed it in the right spot, And so let's get ourselves a mine cart, and then we'll get in there, and then, oh, oops, I did something wrong. Oh, I put the repeaters backwards. Sorry, my bad. Okay, there. Okay, just don't do that. And then you can do this, and they will launch at you. Depending on where you are, is where the things, I guess, so since this is right there, these are way far back, so I think you might want to change these up. How about 2 ticks and 2 ticks? That is a little too fast. So if we can do 4 ticks and 3 ticks. You can change it up however you want, and it's just your honest opinion on what you think looks best. I would think if I added one more repeater right here, set that to 3 ticks, maybe that would be best for me. No, that's not best for me, but maybe 2 ticks. You can do it whatever you want, and maybe this could be your favorite. So, I'm just... Sorry, that was just my thing alarming me that I don't have much time left for this video. Yeah, I have a time limit, but look, it's really cool and it's simple. So go make it yourself if you want.